Welcome YouTube, and hello to all my boredom busters. I am your host Brad Claybaugh, and you have found Brad's Boredom Busters, your textile art channel. This is where we have fun with fabric. Hey, today is a very special day. It's not going to be our typical video. No, I am doing my first unboxing. Yep, I got a gift from Stephanie from Belladonna Dyes. And I love how us YouTube tie-dyers try to help support each other, and at least we get ideas from each other and bounce ideas back and forth. Alright, she was good enough to send me a package, so let's take it over to the work table and see what we got. Alright, it's like Christmas. Far out, man. Alright, busters, hey, let's see what we got here. Oh my god, I got a present. I feel so special. Alright. Let's get into this. I can't even imagine what it is. Ooh, bubbles. Got a lot of packing. Let's see what's inside. All right. Ooh, I see. I see special things. All right. We got some cool dyes here. I think these are some older ones that are probably discontinued because she's got dates on them. All right, we've got some orange marmalade from 2012. What else? All right, this one's funny. This one's called Ogre Achiever. It's from 2011. There you go. What else? Misty Rose from 2012. That's going to be beautiful. Thistle Blossom from 2012 also. Cool. I cannot wait to use this in a project. I will use these and show you what they look like. All right, let's keep going. This one is called Professor Plum. This one's 2011. Far out. Caffeine Buzz from 2012. Very cool. All right. Last one, I think. It looks like Wet Sand from 2012. All right, that's cool. Let's see, anything else at the bottom of the barrel? I don't think so. All right, that's beautiful. Okay, so this is the beautiful haul that Stephanie sent out to me. I thank you very much. I will be happy to use these, and we will get these on shirts on projects shortly. All right, let's sign off at the table. All right, busters, hey, I think that was pretty far out. Hey, I'm going to give you the opportunity now. Yep, if you like this video, now's the time to give me a thumbs up. And another opportunity for you. Yes, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, ring that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And I'll give you another big opportunity. If you really like my channel and want to help support me, go to my Buy Me a Coffee page and buy me a coffee. All right, hey, I love you all, folks. Peace out, baby, and go bust out some art.